Hi student, now discuss about vaccination, immunization or immunization. Vaccine is prepared by cell, that is the cell. Cell means infectious agent, bacteria, virus, pathogen, parasite, anyone. Vaccine is prepared by cell, introduced into the body, that is the vaccine. Which one is prepared by, produced by cell, that is introduced into the body of host body, infectious body, stimulate production of antibodies, stimulate production of the antibodies. Student, it is the vaccine stimulates production of the antibodies. Okay, next, it is based on property of immunological memory, that is the production of the antibodies. It is the information is also stored in the immune system of the body, so it is based on the immunological memory. Student, and process of vaccination, what about the process involved in the vaccination? Student, in this, killed pathogens, weakened pathogens, attenuated pathogens after reducing of the virulence of bacteria, that is called weakened pathogens, killed pathogens, reducing its toxicity, toxins, or antigenic proteins, Okay student, these are introduced into the body of individual human beings. Killed pathogens, weakened pathogens, attenuated pathogens, antigenic proteins are introduced into the body. These antigens starts the production of the antibodies. Okay, and it is also generates, it is the entry of the vaccine into the body not only helps in the production of the antibodies, also generates memory B cells and the memory T cells. Student, okay, when vaccinated person attacks by the same type of the pathogen, memory cells recognize the pathogen and quickly and overcome the invader with the massive production of the antibodies. Student, after the vaccination given to the individual and person recovers from certain infection caused by the pathogens, okay, because of the vaccination, whenever in the lifetime same type of the pathogen, same type of the antigenic particles, proteins enters into the body of the individual after the vaccination. Student, and the immune system, by the presentation of the memory cells in the body, immune system quickly identified, and within a short period of the time it is helps for the production of the large amount of antibodies to destroy certain type of the pathogens and antigenic determinants. Student, it is the entire total memory information is also stored in the immune system in the form of the memory T cells, memory B cells. Okay, next another one, immunological disorders. It is the next topic. Student, immunological disorders. What about the immunological disorders? Any situation that causes the impairment of immune system, that is called immunological disorder. Enter the immune system present in the body, that is goes to impairment, that is goes to damage, that is goes to disturbs. Immune system is not function. Okay. Any situation that causes the impairment of the immune system, that is called immunological disorders. Student, it is four types. Four types of immunological disorders are there. First one is immunodeficiency disorder. First one is immunodeficiency disorder. Second one is hypersensitivity disorder. And third one is autoimmune disorder. And fourth one is graft rejections. These are four types of immunological disorders are there. In this first one, immunodeficiency disorder. What about the immunodeficiency disorder, student? Occurs when immune response of the body is reduced. Student, in this immunodeficiency disorder, it is occurs when immune system, immune response in the body is reduces or absent. When immune system is absent, when immune system is reduces, immune system is not shows the function against a certain type of the pathogens. Okay, student, that is called immunodeficiency disorder. Total immune system present in the body of the individual is goes to the deficiency. Immunodeficiency disorder, that is the disorder causes deficiency of immune system, that is immunodeficiency disorder. This is two types, student, it is of two types. First one is primary immunodeficiency disorder caused by deficiency of genes. Primary immunodeficiency disorder, student, it is important. Primary immunodeficiency disorder that causes defective, that is occurs due to the defective genes. Defective genes. Okay, damage of the gene, deletion of the gene. Okay, sure. Absent of the gene, that is called defective genes. Example, student, for primary immunodeficiency disorder, that is severe combined immunodeficiency, SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency. Okay, student, what about severe combined immunodeficiency? For example, adenosine deaminase, student. Adenosine deaminase, it is the main enzyme. It is the important enzyme. Adenosine deaminase, ADA. Student, it is coded by one of the gene. Okay, it is synthesized by responsibility for synthesizing adenosine deaminase. One of the gene is responsible for this. One of the gene that codes the adenosine deaminase enzyme. Which one is responsible for coding of the adenosine deaminase? That is the gene is goes to defective, goes to the deletion. Student, that one is the gene is absent in the body. Due to this, this is the enzyme is not synthesized. Enzyme is absent in the body. Adenosine deaminase, it is the main enzyme main for immune system to function. By the help of the adenosine deaminase, immune system is developed, immune system is maintained. By the absence of the adenosine deaminase, by the absence of the adenosine deaminase, immune system is goes to the deficiency. Okay, student, and that causes severe combined immunodeficiency. Okay, student. Next, second one, secondary immunodeficiency disorder. Secondary immunodeficiency disorder, student. Secondary immunodeficiency disorder caused by various factors occurs due to certain infections like HIV AIDS and aging and HIV AIDS, entry of the HIV AIDS into the body. It is finally leads to occurrence of the secondary immunodeficiency disorders, student.